In this lesson, we'll show you how to animate saved viewpoints. This gives you a great deal of flexibility in creating animations based on particular views that you already have and like. The first thing you'll need to do is go to the Animation tab. When you're ready to record, you can press the Record button. But first, let me show you what this means. The tools on the right-hand side of the screen let you change the camera view of your viewpoint. If you click Record and then begin moving those camera views around, it will record your motion as an animation. So I'm going to go through a couple of motions here, using the Orbit tool, the Step tool, and others, so we can see what the recorded animation looks like when we're done. Alright, when you're done with your animation, click Stop Recording. Once you stop recording, you'll see that the animation is automatically saved under the Saved Viewpoints window at the lower right of the screen. If you expand the animation window, you can see each frame individually. Or you can go up to the top of the screen and play the entire animation. Just click the Play button under the Playback panel. Additionally, you can export your animation, allowing you to save it outside of Navisworks.